Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two amazing kitchen appliances that can make your life easier and your meals delicious. In the left half of the screen, we have the TOSHIBA 6-in-1 inverter microwave oven air fryer combo, and in the right half, we have an air fryer. Let's see how these two compare with each other. The TOSHIBA 6-in-1 inverter microwave oven air fryer combo is priced at $499, while the air fryer comes at a much affordable price of $99. So, if you are on a budget, the air fryer could be a better choice for you. The TOSHIBA 6-in-1 inverter microwave oven air fryer combo is a true kitchen helper with 6 additional functions, including air fry, convection oven, broiler, defroster, speedy combi, and microwave. On the other hand, the air fryer can perform 9 functions, including frying, baking, and even dehydration. Therefore, if you want a kitchen appliance that can handle multiple tasks, TOSHIBA's 6-in-1 combo will be more suitable for you. The TOSHIBA 6-in-1 inverter microwave oven air fryer combo comes with inverter technology that allows for more uniform distribution of heat, providing even cooking, reheating, and defrosting. While the air fryer comes with rapid air circulation technology to cook food more efficiently 30% faster than other air fryers. Both appliances offer a crispy and tender finish to your meals, so choosing one over the other will come down to preference. The TOSHIBA 6-in-1 inverter microwave oven air fryer combo comes with an original cookbook with 27 classic recipes, making it easy for novice chefs to make Michelin star meals at home. The air fryer comes with 8 preset modes, including steak, fries, chicken, seafood, desserts, veggies, bacon, and dehydration. Both appliances offer convenient cooking options for quick and delicious meals. That's it for our comparison between the TOSHIBA 6-in-1 inverter microwave oven air fryer combo and the air fryer. We hope this video has been helpful for you to choose the best kitchen appliance for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and comparisons.